Are you a healer in hiding? Do you wonder, do I have what it takes to heal myself? Do you ever go out of your way to help someone at work? Are you the one staying at the office late to make sure the group presentation is absolutely perfect? Do your friends come to you for advice? Are you the one that always rescues the stray? Do you stop to help someone who's lost or in need? Perhaps you have a love for the earth and helping things grow. Have you at least once in your life done something helpful for another person or animal? Healer Quiz. Take this energy healer quiz to see if you have what it takes to be a healer. You often sense the emotions and even physical symptoms of those around you by becoming emotionally upset or physically ill. If someone is feeling unwell, you find it difficult to focus on anything else until they are comforted. You often feel the world around you is chaotic and feel the need to contribute in a major way to change it so it's positive and loving. You have often felt you are meant for a great destiny in this lifetime and been disappointed with the limitations of this reality. You have had one or more out-of-body experiences. Dreams count. These are experiences where you feel your spirit body leave your physical body. You can go and journey far or just be outside for a few seconds. You have dreams where you are doing incredible things, such as flying, climbing buildings, saving large groups of people, doing things that feel very vast, deep, and meaningful. Yet, when you wake, you don't always remember them. You have a love for plants and growing things, or you feel energized after you've spent more time in nature. You have rescued one or more stray animals. Even if you didn't keep it, you helped it find a safe place. Strangers or people you barely know seem to tell you their secrets or reveal painful problems to you, and often you give them helpful advice. You often feel overwhelmed by being around a lot of people, yet you maintain a deep love and compassion for humanity. You've been known on more than one occasion to go out of your way to make the new guy or gal feel comfortable at work or school. You opted to take this course to learn how to have greater control over your moods so you can have a happier, more balanced life. If you answered yes to any of these questions, you are a healer. Please give yourself a big congratulatory hug, and one from me also. Being a healer is a huge deal. You have chosen a most honorable path in this lifetime. Yes, much is required of you. However, much has been gifted to you, and you are on the very precipice of embracing an exciting new way of being in the world. You don't have to quit your day job or even mention this new skill to your friends. The knowledge you gain in this course will take root and serve the highest good.